Mark D. Clark, a permanent cadre member serving under the Directorate of Contingency Operations, has consistently and dependably served the USACE and the nation during times of national disaster. Recently, Mr. Clark served as the lead USACE representative at the National Incident Command, or NIC, United States Coast Guard Headquarters in support of the BP Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. This historic spill released over 200 million gallons of oil into the Gulf of Mexico over several months. During this period, Mr. Clark engaged directly with the NIC leadership and interagency partners to explain the Corps of Engineers' capabilities and constraints in this unprecedented assault on the environment. In addition, he coordinated the technical assistance reachback within the organization for expert analysis. He provided much-needed advice and support to answer questions and resolve any issues for the National Incident Commander. Mr. Clark also coordinated efforts with the Interagency Alternative Technology Assessment Program, or IATAP. The intent of the IATAP was to establish a collaborative, well-defined, documented, systematic, and fair government-managed process to solicit, screen, and evaluate all suggested technologies, regardless of source, in support of ongoing response activities related to the Deepwater Horizon spill. Mr. Clark provided professional, competent, and timely advice and counsel during this lengthy disaster. His efforts were praised by senior leaders within the Corps, as well as by those whom he supported in the interagency coordination. Mr. Clark was also involved with the Interagency Solutions Working Group, established by the U.S. Coast Guard to foster scientific and academia support for the event. Even though this was the first use of the National Contingency Plan since it was composed following the Exxon Valdez spill in Alaska, Mr. Clark's understanding of the Corps' regulatory roles, as well as his ability to articulate the Corps' capacity to provide engineering support through our diverse laboratory and research centers of expertise, enhance the interagency use of these resources to expedite and validate response and recovery activities. Mr. Clark's efforts also led to additional work assignments being requested, which were funded by other federal agencies. The U.S. Coast Guard provided reimbursement for his labor while working this high-profile, time-sensitive assignment. Mr. Clark's dedication to duty and his accomplishments reflect favorably upon him, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and the nation. We proudly congratulate Mark Clark as the 2010 Responder of the Year.